Peppa Pig. Đi đi này tự ra đây nhé. Đi mà đi. Anh đi ra đi. Peppa Pig. Mắc bacon. Hiccups. Peppa hiểu. Mommy and Daddy are having breakfast. It is a yummy sunny day. Peppa and George can we go into the garden today? Mommy, you go out today. You can go today and see it. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Yeah, đang diễn giờ chú tụ quýt gì? Hop. Hop. Rồi để chú tụ quýt gì? And now he had hop. Cái ví dụ là tự nhiên nào mommy? Là con cho hết hiccup. Là cho hiccup ở bốn mommy. Hai bên dây giọt. Hop. And all that in gravity, but you're at the yacht. Peppa nhớ giáp gì người già đi. So I'm going to go daddy. Hop! Yeah, you shall pick a bee. Hop! Yeah! Now you go the ball to me and I have to get it. Hop! Yeah! Oh dear, Hiccup, boy again. Go, I'm not the Hiccup. You have to do as I say. Hop! Hey! Peppa, dép the top of her head and dép your tummy. Good, now you go back on. Hop! Peppa chưa Hiccup đến chi vô cuộc. Do you didn't jump chuột. Didn't jump. Anh là hứa từ rồi. Phật trong bên thảo vi ở bên đảo vi thảo ông quan vậy. Now wave your arm up and down and stick your tongue out. Now with your turn with the hop fit how như hiccup đi there. You still have hiccup. Hop! I know. They do hiccup. The air is bigger than the shop. No, I'm going to scale the red remember to never stop your hiccup. Remember, it's a the scaling. Peppa, cho hết rồi. So vậy mommy, I just had the hiccups. Yeah, hop. Yeah, hiccup was born. He come back big with two bigger objects. So if you do it, hiccup. I'm not the leader of your hunting to it. I want to. Hop!